guys, it's your favorite science buddy helper, Josh Breen. Alright, so today we're going to be working with molar mass. So we're going to be going from moles to the molar mass to moles, molecules to moles. So today we're going to start out with Ca3PO4 2. So for this first one, it's pretty simple, but I'm just going to list out the molar masses of each element and then explain how to get through. So first one, Ca. So if you look on your periodic table right here, Ca 40.08. Alright, and then I'm going to add P, which is 30.97. I'm going to times that by 2 because there's going to be 2 in that. Plus oxygen, which is right here. If you look right there, yeah, 16 times 8 because there's, and then it's going to be 8. And when I add those all up, I get an answer of 310.24. Now that's basically, so that's basically it. We're gonna disregard sig figs just for this one. You guys can figure it out as helped by in our last video. All right, next one, Na2HPO4. As you guys already know on the periodic table, you just look up the molar masses. So I'm not gonna actually read these for you guys. I'm just gonna give the final answer because it's pretty simple in the end. So for this one, it's going to be 141.94. So just quickly, just pause the video. Just make sure you can do this. Just add them up real quick. I know it seems elementary. Just do it. It'll help. Trust me. All right. Next one. 150 grams of Fe2 iron, O3 oxygen. All right. So this one's a little more complex. So the way I learned it, there's different ways to learn it. But I learned it as you go X over what you have. It's 150 grams. And this is going to be the moles. You want to find moles for this question. So we have 1 mole over here because they have to be even. And then for the total mass of Fe2O3, we add up Fe. If you could come over here, I'm just going to pan in on this one. So here we have Fe, 55.85. So I'm going to add my calculator. 55.85 times 2 plus 16 times 3. So you get 159.7. So then after we cross multiply, we get 159.7x equals 150. So in order to find just x, we need to divide by 159. So therefore it ends up being 150 divided by 159.7 times, 0.94. 0.94 moles. And that's all you do for this one. It's very simple. Just make sure you line them up right and make sure to get the right units lined up. So next one, 1.5 times 10 to the 16 molecules of BF3. Now, this one's a little trickier. You're going to have to know Avogadro's number, which is 6.02 times 10 to the 23rd.
Wait, avocado?
You know what I said.
I'm sorry.
Avogadro's or something like that? I don't know. It starts with an A. So,
You just have to know it.
yes, you got to know. So since we have molecules, we're going to need to divide by that man's number. So 1.5. Alex, can you come over here for a second?
Sure thing, Josh.
1.5 EE, which you'll learn later on as a shortcut for this, divided by 6.02 EE to the 23rd. And you get 2.49 times 10, where E is the negative 8th. So when you have molecules, it's a greater number than the number of moles because the moles is a very large number. So you need to divide it. You need to get an answer smaller than before. All right, next one, mass in grams of 2 times 10 to the negative 2 moles of C2H3Cl3O2. So for this one, we're going to need to do the same thing we did here. But
Hey!
so I'm going to need X grams and 2.0 times 10 to the negative 2. And then I want to have, because this is moles, I want to have 1 mole on the bottom this time. So once we add this all up, it's going to be 165.4. And once we align it up, let's go square this answer. You actually end up just multiplying these two. And when you multiply these two, sorry about that, you get 3.3 grams. And that's basically it for molar mass. Just make sure to line up your units and you should be fine. Thanks, guys.